So we will continue with the division. And division में क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Fractions को में fraction को recurring decimals में convert कर रहे हैं, right? And we are doing the numbers denominators ending with 7. With 7. So the question is find the full recurring decimal for 34 by 77. So it's a fraction, and this fraction is ending with the denominator ending with 7. Denominator is ending with 7. So 34 by 77, it is nearest to 80, and the difference कितना है? 3 का. इसका मतलब every time जो भी आपका quotient element आएगा उसको आपने 3 से divide करना है. तो 0 point. So यहाँ से हम अब division जो है हमारी शुरू हो रही है. First of all, you will divide 34 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. Yes, Prabkirat. Let us start doing this question. 8 4s are 32. Remainder is 2. Right? Now, here is 4. 4 को अब 3 से multiply करेंगे. 4 3s are 12. Right? Beta, you may unmute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance. Yes, Prabdeep. Now we have 12 here. 4 3s are 12. Number in the category is again 32.
Yes, ma'am.
So अब next आपने जो divide करना है वो आएगा 32, right? So 32 divided by 8, that is 4, remainder 0. So you will write here 4 and here is remainder 0. Again you have 4 3s are 12, right? अब 0 plus 12 is 12. अब आपने divide करना है. Divisor आप dividend जो है वो 12 का ये 8 है. So 8 1s are 8, right? And remainder is 4. So you will write here 1 and the remainder is 4. अब 1 को 3 times किया, you have 3 here. अब 4 40 plus 3, you have 43. Now 43 is divided by 8. 8 5s are 40 and remainder is 3. 5 and here is 3. 5 3s are 15. 30 plus 15. कितना हुआ 30 plus 45? So 45 divided by 8. This is equal to again 4 5s, 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 45. Remainder is 0. Sorry, 8 5s are 40 and remainder is 5. Remainder is 5 here. So 5 फिर इसका कितना हुआ 15 और 50 plus 15 is 65. 65 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. Remainder is 1. 8 8s are 64 and remainder is 1. And then 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 24 और 24 में जब 10 ऐड करेंगे then you have 34 divided by 8. तो देखो यहीं से शुरू किया था, सेम आ जाएगा इसके बाद. So therefore the recurring decimal in the category is 1558. ये पूरी बेड है जो बार बार रिपीट करेंगे. It means what answer you are getting? 44158. फिर कितना आएगा 441558. Right? Is it clear? So this is the answer. चलता रहेगा. जब आपने देखो बार लगा दिया then you will not write after the last digit. यहाँ पे आप dash dash dash, क्योंकि आपका ये जो है ये बार बार repeat करना. So let's do one more example of to convert the fraction into decimal, and the fraction having the denominator ending with 7. Sorry. Next question is find the first 6 figures of the decimal 22 by 57. देखो दो तरह से क्वेश्चन आया, या तो फुल डेसिमल डेसिमल निकालो, यहाँ पे सिर्फ उन्होंने कितनी फिगर्स निकालने के लिए बोला, ओनली 6 फिगर्स. सो 22/57. सो दिस इज नियरेस्ट टू 60, राइट? 22/57, it is nearest to 60. So हमारा जो डिवाइजर है यहाँ पे, this is the dividend and 6 is the divisor. So 22 divided by 6, और डिफरेंस कितना है दोनों में? 3 का डिफरेंस है. So 6 3s are 18 and 6 3s are 18 and remainder is, what's the remainder? 4 remainder.
4.
0 point, here is 8 and here is 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 40. 64 divided by 6. So what's the answer here? 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 40 is 64. So what's the answer?
मैम 8 वहां पर 3 नहीं आएगा 8 की जगह?
कहाँ बेटा?
मैम 3
Sorry.
और 4 रिमाइंडर.
6 3s are 18, right? मैंने I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
right 3 आएगा, right. So I'm doing again. This is 0.3. ठीक है. अब रिमाइंडर कितना है? 4.
4.
ठीक है. 3 3s are 9. Now the number is 49. Number is 49, right? Yes. कहाँ पे जाएगा? 6 5s are 36, 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. Remainder is 7. Fine.
8 पे जाएगा.
6 8 दा 48.
48. Yes, ma'am.
मैंने क्या बोल दिया? 6 7s are 42.
Ma'am,
मैंने से 42 बोला. We have
47.
one more number, right? 6 8s are 48. Yes. 6
Remainder
8s are
1.
48 and remainder is 1 here. Good. Chalo. Ashwinder, complete the question. Then 8 3s are 24.
24.
10 ऐड किए, बन गया 34.
34
divided by 6. हाँ जी बोलिए. 6 5s are 30.
6 5
Remainder is 4.
30.
Good.
Remainder
Yes, here is 5 and here is 4. 5 3s are
4.
15.
15. Yes, ma'am.
50 plus 15 is
55.
55 divided
55
by
divided
6. हाँ जी,
6.
अब बोलिए. 6 9s are 54.
9 6 9 दा 54. Remainder 1.
Remainder 1. 6 9s are 54 and remainder is 1.
1.
Next is 9 3s are 27.
27.
37
37
divided by
6.
6 6 are 36. Remainder 1.
36. Remainder 1.
Yes. 6 6 6 3s are 18.
18
plus 10 is
28.
good.
28 divided by 6.
Hmm.
6 4 the 24. Remainder 4.
How many digits we have find? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So
6.
therefore, according to the need, we have find the 6 decimal digits. So the answer is 385964. This is the answer. Hanji, fine. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.